Hi friends, I'm H. Satish, a wildlife photographer from Bangalore. I've been into the wildlife and landscape photography since 40 years and I have been conducting a lot of workshops across India. Taken many people into sanctuaries and national parks for many workshops on wildlife photography, bird photography and macro photography. And many people are highly satisfied and they have learned a lot about the nuances of wildlife photography. It's not just taking people to organize tours, but I also mentor them and teach them art of wildlife photography. There is a beautiful pit viper, yellow marsh. This is a female and beautifully colored, very nice. And you can see the beautiful mosses on which it is sitting. These are lovely colors it has, and it is on just resting or maybe looking for a prey. The beginners and amateurs, they have to start their macro photography in the outskirts of their cities. Go to the fields, grasslands and some forest patches to find insects and other macro subjects to try out their skills first. So after getting to know how about the composition, lighting and various aspects of photography, they can come to this kind of forests like rainforests of Western Ghats. We find a lot of endemic insects, birds and other things here. And this is the place for macro photographers, those who are interested in the art of macro photography and those who want to excel in the field of macro photography. And here I conduct a lot of workshops in Agumbe, in Karnataka, as well as Amboli in Maharashtra. Beautiful and very rare kind of insects and cicadas molting. Of course, these forests are very famous for pit vipers and various kinds of frogs and other things. So friends, if you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you can do so. And those who want to subscribe to my YouTube channel on macro photography, you please subscribe there. So here I am Satish signing off from the beautiful forests of Western Ghats.